Today I'm going to open up these Lawson Turtles that I got off AliExpress. Before I got the set of 4, I got the Raph and the Mikey, one at GameStop and one at my local comic shop, and then after that I went on AliExpress and I saw the whole set cost me $3 less than those two. So I'm going to open this up and we'll take a look and we'll compare them to see if they're real or fake, because the price I got them, you'd think they might be fake. So I want to take a look at this backdrop. I'm going to put it on some poster board and then put it on my wall. The OnGreenShow. Here's all the turtles. So they look great so far. They feel great. They're the same plastic, so that's good. Everything looks good. The weapons are the same. The accessories. The individual ones come with mousers, but the set doesn't, which is okay because I already have 2. I don't need more. And I got this set because I thought I have Raph and Mikey, and if I have another Raph and Mikey, I can make Super Mikey and Batman Raph, aka Night Watcher, because I do custom toys if you're new here. I have some of the original accessories that came with my individual turtles. Raph has the hood, which the 4-pack also came with the hood, and Mikey came with these, I think they're Triceraton handcuffs, which the 4-pack didn't come with that. And Mike came with this sickle, which the 4-pack didn't come with. They each came with a set of hands in the individual pack, and then the set came with 4 extra sets of hands. And Mikey had these nunchucks. No, Mikey has these like gear shuriken. Mikey has like these gear shuriken ninja stars, throwing stars. The 4 set also has those, so these hoods. This one's a little tougher, but I just opened it. This has been on Raph and off him, but the color is slightly different. The new one that came in the 4-pack is a little lighter. I like them both. I like the darker one a little better, I think. I want to keep all that stuff separate. The 4-pack also came with the extra arm for Raph, which my Raph already has the extra arm on, but I couldn't find his accessories because I opened them on the show and then they went into a little container and I couldn't find that little container. But I have all the accessories for Mikey because I didn't open them on camera, saving them for this. I just opened them a couple weeks ago. I've had all of these for 4 or 5 or maybe even 6 months waiting to do this video. Now we can get a good side-by-side comparison. So these ones in the 4-pack, they're a little darker. I don't have the Leo or the Donnie. I don't really need 2 of those. If they go on sale, the individual ones, I might get them one day to match these guys, and then I can do something custom with this one that I'm holding. You might know this already. You might have these. Donnie has the notch for the bow staff in his back, so you can tell that he's different. And Leo has the straps and the sheaths for his swords, so you can see he's different. But Raph and Mikey, they don't have anywhere extra to put their weapons. I just put one in here on both of them, and so it's harder to tell them apart. Actually, in the 4-pack, they were in the wrong spots, but I noticed the face was Raph, and Raph has more scratches. The weapons are exactly the same. Belt's the same color. The mask is darker and has a little more black and more olivey. This is a brighter green and it pops out more, so I like that too. I like them all, but this will be the Dark Knight Turtle and this Mikey will be Super Mikey. Just like all my regular NECAs that I know are legit for sure, because I buy them from reputable stores and stuff at full price. They always have leg problems. One is a little bigger than the other, or they're just not set right. Joints come a little messed up, so you gotta fix it. But I got them all fixed, except he fell and knocked Donnie out, so I had to do this whole speech. I also just got this Casey Jones yesterday from AliExpress, so he was only 20 bucks. If I was able to find an individual like actual NECA one in a box, that would be at least 50 bucks here in Canada, so that's good. And I thought if he was bad, I can just use the head and I'll put it on my Super 7, because I'm going to customize the Super 7 I have to look more like the actual cartoon. But this guy is perfect, like totally looks and feels exactly like a legit NECA. His hair and the face and mask are different plastics, so the hair is closer to the jacket, so that's sick. Look at the detail on these shoes. But yeah, that's awesome, and I just got them, so I thought I'd show them off. Again, like all my other NECA figures, a little hard to stand up when you first get them until you finally get the leg in the right position. I'm losing my voice a little because it's late in the night and I usually don't film at this time. But anyway, thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, remember, always keep your head up. Peace. The OnGreenShow.